enjoy hanging out by the pool, sitting under the umbrella? We do as well, and just like many others, they forget to put down their patio umbrellas. And without even realizing, the damages that will soon follow such a simple mistake will be high. When high wind speeds appear out of nowhere and blow leaves away, so does your umbrella, go tumbling down and breaking down. Good news. Today, I have a solution for you. The smart umbrella. You might ask, what is a smart umbrella and what makes it so smart? And I'm glad you asked that. The smart umbrella is a fully motorized and fully independent umbrella that reads the wind speeds, time of day, and prevents itself from falling over, flying away, or keeping it out of your pools. Next, I'm going to hand it over to my virtual assistant, Henry. Take it away.
Thanks, Mason. The way this works is by using a linear actuator on the main support shaft. What the actuator does is convert the rotational motion of the motor into a linear motion at the point of the carriage. The carriage is attached to the slide that allows for the opening and closing of the umbrella. Knowing how it moves is only one part of it. The reason it is a smart umbrella is because it operates with 4 unique sensors. First, and most obvious, is the wind speed sensor. This sensor catches the wind and using its rotational energy to give a reading that can be used to determine a numerical value that we can translate into wind speed. And when that number is beyond our threshold, it will automatically close and open. Next, we have a UV sensor attached to the top. This is similar in how the wind speed sensor works, as it gives its numerical value based on the ultraviolet light level of immediate area. For manual control, we implemented a Bluetooth sensor that allows for control over the motor, allowing for you to open and close the umbrella anytime you wish right from your phone. Lastly, there's a motor driver that allows us to control the motor's direction and speed.
Coming to the financial side of the project, we have a list of items as displayed on screen. For our list, we had a prototyping cost of $217.31, and that was to build the initial project. Moving on, you could build this project for bulk at $65.32 as a total pricing to get all the parts. To put it all together in a manufacturing price, we have a total of $130.64. This will include direct labor, machining, and indirect labor. Then using our manufacturing cost, we go into our research development, engineering, admin, and profit. But with a profit of 15%, we can get a total selling price of $326.60 for the final project. Wait, I'm on my way! Going from the finances, let's talk about the disciplines that this project follows. The project covers various disciplines of engineering, the first of which is mechanical. The base of the idea is all mechanical work as it requires the assembly of several different parts all smashed together. From here, we move on to electrical engineering, as it is required to assemble the wiring and electrical components in a safe fashion to prevent damage to the entire umbrella. And lastly, it requires cyber engineering for the code in the system is complex, and it requires several system checks to operate the motor and sensors in a coherent and functional way. And with that, we come to the end of the Smart Umbrella presentation. Hope you enjoyed.